Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech nerd. Today I will explain the ChatGPT 10 great troubleshooting step by step. The general fixing should work. The errors check from the out of try most of relevant fix for this. The key takes when your ChatGPT is not working, it can be ChatGPT not response to ChatGPT loading, ChatGPT feed, ChatGPT pop-up errors. The common errors, thus ChatGPT not working. Issues, the high traffic issues. The most effective solutions are the switch to working of the internet, different browsers, and this. The number one, why ChatGPT is not working. The server issues, networking issues, browsing crashes, access to account issues. Here it is quick list some common users and ChatGPT is not working. The server issue, one of the most permanent issue of the simplest server is down or under maintenance. The networking issue, the networking connect is chopped temporarily, which is the common causes of the ChatGPT not generate response prompt. Browse catching of extensions. Some cases of specifications browse may be unknowingly have error with the browsing catch. There may be an extension in your browser. The causing of the problem. The account issues, you can account may be blocked or have some short problems that need to be addressed. Pending payments on ChatGPT Plus. After learning these possible causes that ChatGPT not working issue, you can follow them. How fix ChatGPT not working? Check first ChatGPT server status and check internet connection. Switch or disable VPN, clear browse cache and cookies, disable browse extension, try another web browser also, it is opening or not, check. Subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, log out and log in again to the ChatGPT account, try ChatGPT application. Cannot ChatGPT supported. The ChatGPT server status. The first you have to check better the ChatGPT status. The virtual outage which can range up between the 10 to 15 minutes, major outage of which is less of this 5 hours longer worst case scenario. Detailed logs on the any relevant to issue server. Alternate servers may be under schedules in maintenance. You can check the official OpenAI community. The check internet connections. On your PC, open Wi-Fi setting and take a Wi-Fi networking you are connected to. If you notice issue like no internet, there may be bug on your PC causing the connection between interrupted. If that case, try to on following steps. Switch off the Wi-Fi toggle off and on to the connection to networking. 20 seconds. Switch to another Wi-Fi. Most two Wi-Fi networking provide 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. You choose whichever you are available in your office or college or your home. Restart your router. If you notice this 2 minutes internet light on your router in this up or is blinking red, we have problem with your router and connections on the internet. To restart your router, see that fix. Switch or disable your VPN. If you use VPN, that could be another reasons why ChatGPT not working properly, because VPN soup your location or is internet traffic server in the different regions. This could cause us networking latency issues since your connection speed slowly, causing ChatGPT loaded timeout. VPN should also you to recognize where you ChatGPT. Simplify, open your VPN, apply disconnecting. It is switched to another VPN server, then try to ChatGPT again. It is work. Clear the browser and cache memory. You browser cache and it is state cookies help to website load up the faster and remember user details. There are problem with your current sessions because your cache and cookies are error will repeated because they are corrupted, causing the site not working properly. The refer to the browser cache and take a Chrome browser and example any browser. Open Chrome browser, customize control Google Chrome and extensions pop-up menu and select manage extension. Each extension click toggle disable. Now go back into ChatGPT. It is working in this. In the case of try repeated steps above the each extensions of this, see which one is causing the problem. We suggested either disabling the using ChatGPT or removing it completely. Try another web browser. The alternate, if you still connecting, fix any your browser issues after clearing this cache cookies as well as disable browser extension as we do. Sincere different web browser use different web standards. What is this working? One browser maybe work, another. Chrome users try to Mozilla, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari and Mac. The every workers usually this problem most likely with your web browser. You can reinstall the web browser and repeat them issues to the developers. Subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. If you're using the free version, ChatGPT and experience frequent slowdowns. The use of the upgrade version, ChatGPT Plus, see that is improving your experience because ChatGPT Plus users have proper of access when it is come to server and response time. Users are the free versions. ChatGPT may be experience reduced performance restricted during peak usage times, and ChatGPT Plus this with property access. Additional ChatGPT Plus already improve your performance and reliability. Worth checking out. It is a bad user ChatGPT work fee matter more, but poor users log out and log in again. But simple to fix. You can log out and log in back your ChatGPT account. Now logging and log out, refresh your ChatGPT. It could help you are having problem like a ChatGPT not answering prompt and be stuck in log out and your account. Click on your ChatGPT profile picture and top right on the corner the page. Then click log out and OK. As your web browser restart the tool. This is help clear your any session errors from your browser. Now log back into your ChatGPT account and fix this problem. Try to ChatGPT applications. This ChatGPT application good, and this the mobile app instead of with this pro more stable and good news. This work both mobile and PC. So mobile just searching your devices.